I need your help to demonstrate I don't set anything up, okay? We're gonna do pure comedy. You see, there's comedy in the air, Elliot, and you're definitely upwind. What we're gonna do is a demonstration of improv. Hand out of the pocket, I'm entertaining you tonight. Now, get close to that microphone. All I want you to do is picture that you're sitting in a car right now, okay? You're sitting in a car in the passenger seat there. We're gonna drive somewhere and do another show as partners here, as full partners. I will take care of the heavy lifting. All you have to do are a few simple sound effects for us. Relax, have fun. I promise I'm here to make us both look good, all right? So get nice and close there so they can hear you. You're sitting in the car. I'm loading up the trunk of that car. As I come walking up to the front, you can hear my footsteps on the ground. They go.
Boom, boom,
okay,
boom.
Let me explain sound effects. It's like a cappella comedy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you start as soon as I say what it is. All right, so I'm back here, and here we go. I come walking up to the front of the car. You can hear my footsteps.
Thump, 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 thump.
Okay, that was the weirdest pattern of walking ever. As I get to the front, I open up the driver's door, and it goes... It's a dungeon door on the car, apparently.
Old car.
It's an old car. Sure it is. All right. I get in the car and slam the door.
Vroom.
Now we're suddenly on the Starship Enterprise. I get out my keys and give them a little jingle. What in the... What is that? Apparently we're underwater now. Placing a key in the ignition, I try to start the car. Stalls immediately. Apparently you're used to driving a Ford. Now, old car, yeah. Let me start your car again for you, Elliot. We get it started, we head off down the road as I press the gas. There's a cow in the back seat. As we're driving along, it starts to get warm in the car. Elliot rolls down the window there. Go ahead, roll down the window. We continue. What are you doing with this? No one under 30 has any... This girl, Rachel's like, what is he doing? And what are stairs? Rachel, I was riding an escalator once and it stopped. I was stuck on there for 3 hours. Okay. Stairs. The wind is rushing through our hair. Okay, I'm just gonna roll that up to help you. We see our destination up there to the left, all right? Do you see it up there? You do? Maybe tomorrow we cut the pills in half. You see it. We flip on the turn signal.
Click, 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 click.
Pulling in, I hit the brakes.
Vroom.
Accidentally hitting the gas, we lurch through the wall. Airbag. Airbag, do an airbag.
Ooh.
It's pretty fun, isn't it? Okay. We get out of the car. We get out of the car. We go running inside. We're running, and apparently I'm carrying you. We are now backstage at a giant theater, okay? They've been waiting for us. We're the final act in this show. There's a curtain right in front of us. We're right up against it. We listen to the audience as they start to do our introduction, and you can hear them cheer. What do they sound like?
Boo.
Yeah. It's a repeat audience.
Boo.
The cow moos again. No, they're excited for this grand finale. They cheer like this.
Yay!